Yeah, hi. This is Paramita. Okay, so currently I am in Vietnam, and today is the last day of my trip. And me and my husband were on our anniversary trip here, and the trip was organized by Tripstars. And yes, they have done a splendid job. We really like the whole itinerary. Actually, we wanted it like full of activities and like full of like places, new places to visit and new activities to do. And yes, that itinerary was same as that, and we enjoyed a lot. We have done so many boat rides, different kinds of boat rides, and also the like the last one, Kuchi tunnel, that was also great. And all the guides were very good. And yes, Tripstars, well done. Yeah, great job. And also one more thing, the Vietnam team is also very good. And I must say, from the Tripstars, we discussed with all the itinerary and all with Bunty Sharma. He also done a good job. And in case of Vietnam team, I will specifically thanks to Cherry that you organized everything so well and also tolerated us for the 7 to 8 days. And yes, we just loved our trip, and we have so many memories now. And with this also, you can see. And yes, our whole trip was very good. We just loved it, and we will definitely recommend Tripstars to everybody who want to visit Vietnam. And okay, yeah, best of luck, guys.